How you doing, everybody? Randy Richard in the shop. Well, I'm outside the shop. I'm on top of the roof of the shop, and we have you can't quite see them, but got all the outriggers in. We have some cross bracing, and we got some this cross bracing will be removed as we sheet. I even got I got a couple sheets over here already laid up. They're not attached yet, but they're just kind of sitting there. What I've done is I put some blocks down at the end of the tails to hold it, since I'm by myself today. And well, we're ready to actually put this up. And so we're going to get a few sheets here today, and we'll see how far we get, and we'll finish it up tomorrow. So it's really pretty simple. I've designed this around the roof overhangs, the eaves lengths and stuff, so that the front is 24 inches, the back here is about 16 inches, but I designed it over about the sheeting. So I'm 2.5 sheets across here, and it'd be fairly easy that way. All we got to do is cut some sheets in half, and 2 full sheets, a half sheet, turn around, 2 full sheets, half sheet. Just go back and forth, and we have 4 rows up to the ridge. And then the same on the other side. So that's where we're going today. Thanks, you guys. Thanks for watching, and we're really moving right along on the shop edition here. So that's a good thing. Okay, for now, all the sheeting's up. just these strips along the top here left to do. And when I know the width of the ridge vent, I will cut these and put these in. Sheeting's nailed off, and we're good to go for now up here. And get going on the window, the other window to put in, and I have blocking for the soffit still to do. So just a few more things and we'll be done with all the rough framing and we'll get an inspection. Thanks you guys for watching. Ignore my wife who's mowing the lawn, and so thank you for all my supporters, and thank you for watching the videos. Please subscribe, ring the notification bell, and you know, just help support the channel. That is just wonderful. And thanks to all my patrons for really keeping up with me and supporting the channel. And people who are buying my tools, well, who bought my tools, I have very few left, and it's just allowing me to build this. It's that simple. I could not have done it without all the support of the viewers. So thank you, everybody. So stay tuned for the next episode, and we'll just keep chugging along.